Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import product from Aliexpress to Shopify with the help of DSERS. So if you would want to do some dropshipping business from Aliexpress to your Shopify, you can do that by using a third-party application that are registered on Shopify, or you can find it in Shopify App Store, and that app is going to help you to add some listings from Aliexpress into your Shopify. So here on the other tab, I already have my Aliexpress open, and what it does is that it's just going to make things easier when I'm going to verify my Aliexpress to my Shopify later on. So if you haven't got any Aliexpress account yet, you can just go ahead and create it. It's very easy. Just go to aliexpress.com and then click sign up. It's usually on this part right here. You can just sign up with your Google account if you want, or just manually enter your email, and then you got your account ready to go. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to go back to your Shopify, and then here on the search bar, you're going to want to click on apps, and all the way down you'll be able to find this all recommended apps, so you can go ahead and click on it. And then once again, we're going to scroll down until we find this Shopify App Store option, and we're going to click on it to open Shopify App Store. All right, now that we arrive at the Shopify App Store, you'll be able to see a bunch of apps that you can use to help your business. And we're going to go ahead and go to the search bar here and type in DSERS. All right, so here are some of the apps that appear. So besides DSERS, there are actually some other apps that you can use in order to do some dropshipping business. But for today, we're going to focus on this DSERS Aliexpress dropshipping. So this one is available with free plan, so you don't have to pay for anything at all. And it can help you to optimize your suppliers, find cheaper and better suppliers selling the same product, and help you with the product management. You can find, import and edit products. You can do some bulk orders. You can also do some automation, as well as manage multiple Shopify store in one account. So we're going to go ahead and click on install. And as always, just like how you would install any other application, Shopify is going to ask your permissions for this stuff. So you can go ahead and read it first if you want. And next you can go ahead and click on install. And if you haven't got any DSERS account yet, you can go ahead and create one. But if you already have one, you can just go ahead and continue to log in. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one for the sake of this tutorial. So go ahead and click create an account. And here are some of the pricing plan that they offer to you. They have the basic one, which is the free one, and then we got the advanced one with a free trial. It started with around $20, and we got the one with $50, and then the enterprise with $500 per month, and you can pay it monthly or yearly. And here are some of the benefits that you can get with each plan. You can pause the video to read it if you want. I'm just going to scroll all the way down. Right, so here is some of the benefit, and I'm going to start with the free one for today. So I'm going to go ahead and click get started on this one. All right, and here we have the options to link Aliexpress into our DSERS immediately, and I'm going to go ahead and click link and authorize to Aliexpress. And here are some of the things that, and here are just some info that pops up after you click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login, because it says here that we have to click login if you already have an Aliexpress account, or register to start a registration process if you haven't got any account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login because I already have an Aliexpress account. And here I'm going to go ahead and click on authorize. All right, and now we're in. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see the navigation menu where you'll be able to do some product research. You can find supplier and then use their supplier optimizer to search for a better supplier for a good product that you might find elsewhere. So we're going to start by going and searching for a supplier. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on find supplier, and on top of the list of supplier, you'll be able to see some category that you can choose depending on what kind of product you will want to sell. So here are some of the product that you can start selling on your own marketplace. So let's say that I want to sell this sleeping mask here. I'm going to go ahead and open this product page first before I import it into my list. And what happens is it's going to bring me into the actual product page on Aliexpress. And this is how it looks like. And if I go back to the DSERS, I have the options to click add to import list immediately, or I can try to find some other supplier by clicking on the supplier optimizer. So with the supplier optimizer, once you get a product that you want, which is this one, for instance, we can just copy it and then paste the link over here to see if the DSERS will be able to find some other supplier besides the one that we got the first time. So here we got a bunch of different supplier with different prices as well as rating, so you can go ahead and choose from the available supplier so that you get the best one to sell on your product. So like this one's right here, this one is pretty cheap compared to the other one, and you can also filter it if you would want it to start from the highest price to the lowest, or the opposite of it. Let's see what happens if we go from the lowest one. I personally will try to find some product that is not too cheap, because sometimes having a product that is too cheap could be a little bit suspicious. It's either it's a fake or that product will just damage or something like that. So the first one that we find was in 831. I'm not going to go with prices below it, so I think this 847 one is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Alright, so it's pretty similar to the one that we find first. It only has different color. This one has black color on it. This one is just available in pink and blue, and I don't mind that, so I'm going to go ahead and click add import list, then go ahead and click on confirm. I'm just going to choose English as my language, and then I'm going to go ahead and check on it. Alright, so this is the product that I got to be imported into my store, and if you are fine with it as it is, you can just go ahead and click push to store, or if you would like to edit it, you also have the options to edit the product by clicking on this edit product option. Through here you'll be able to edit the title, add some weight info if you want, and then put it into your product collection, and then add some tags, some types, some vendors if you want. Remove any variants if you don't want to sell both of the colors or some things like that. Edit the images, as well as edit the shipping info. So you'll be able to know where can this product be shipped to by clicking on any of this country. So let's try to search for any country, for example Czech Republic, and see if there is any available shipping info. And yes, they do have a shipping courier or shipping company that will be able to deliver it to that place, and that is a good news. And once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and click push to store, and here are some of the info that you can read before you push it to your store. So the first one is pricing rule applied to this product. If you have manually edited the product price on DSERS, please uncheck this box, which means that you're not going to sell the price as it is. If you already made some changes, you can just uncheck this box, and then you have the option to continue selling when out of stock. I'm not going to do that, so I'm not going to take this. And you can also publish this to online store, which I'm going to do. And then only push product specification. I'm not going to do that. And there's automatic inventory update. Yes, automatic price updates and manual price updates. Okay, there's good for now. So I'm going to go ahead and push this to store. And now we wait until the product is done inserted into our store. Alright, so it's done imported. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my product and see whether the product is really there or not. And yes, here it is. Now we got the product with all of the details. We got the specification, the pictures, the variation, etc., all inserted. And you can always make some changes if you want through your Shopify in case there are things that you would like to change after you're done importing this product into your store. And that's basically it. That is how you can import product from AliExpress into your Shopify with DSERS. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.